Well, the farmer unions in Punjab have agreed to end their month-long rail blockade from Monday. That's November 23rd. All goods and passenger trains will resume from Monday. This is the latest information that we're getting in. Of course, they have put a condition on it. Let's go across to Gurpreet to get you more details. Gurpreet, this will be a sigh of relief, for the Punjab government and the people, because it was beginning to impact the supplies as well. But now, first tell us, what is it that they have put forward as a condition for ending the protest?
Well, yes, of course, that the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh, along with the farmer unions, they held a marathon meeting about the rail train resumption, because earlier that we have seen that farmer unions, they had given a green good trains, but today they had made it very clear even the passenger trains they can be allowed to move in the state. So we have some of the farmer union leaders with us, so we will talk to them. So आज आपने क्या कंडीशन रखी, जो 15 दिन की बात किया आपने कि हम 15 दिन में अगर देखेंगे नहीं तो हम दोबारा से क्या कंडीशन रखी चीफ मिनिस्टर के आगे?
जो तो चीफ मिनिस्टर यही है कि जो सेंटर सरकार को हम 15 का अल्टीमेट देते हैं, अगर उन्होंने 15 दिन में हमारी मांगे ना पूरी की तो हम दोबारा ट्रैक्स पे आ जाएंगे, है ना। चीफ मिनिस्टर ने रिक्वेस्ट की थी भी पंजाब को आर्थिक देखते हुए आउट ट्रेनों का था, इसलिए हम सोचा कि है भी हमें दिल्ली जाने की उसकी तैयारी करनी है।
तो अगर बात करें तो दिल्ली आप जाओगे? दिल्ली जाना जो 26-27 को आप बोल रहे तो जाओगे आप?
हाँ, दिल्ली जाएंगे। दिल्ली इस तरह भी दिल्ली असी एडे इकट्ठ च लेके आ रहे हैं, साडियां ट्रैक्टर ट्रालियां बिचे अपने सारा समान इकट्ठा करके राशन पानी ਸਾਡੀ ਹੁਣ ਬਜਾਈ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰਾਲੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਛੱਤਾਂ ਤਾਣ ਲੀਆਂ, ਤੰਬੂ ਬਣਾ ਲਏ। ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਟਰਾਲੀ 'ਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਟਰਾਲੀ 'ਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਿਸਤਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਵਿਛਾਉਣੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਰਜਾਈਆਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਲੀਆਂ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ, अगर राह च रोकणगे असी उत्थे अपना राशन पानी बनाना शुरू कर देना।
लेकिन अब जो मीटिंग हुई है उसमें आपने ये बोल दिया कि दोनों ट्रेनें चले, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
देखो उसमें ये इसने सरकार की दबाव में कुछ नहीं बोला। वो पहले ही हमारा किसान भवन में मीटिंग हुई थी, उसमें हमारा फैसला हो गया था। हम पंजाब की आर्थिक दशा नूं देखते हुए चल दिल्ली सेंटर सरकार अड़ियर रवैया रखी बैठी है, पर हमें अड़ियर रवैया असी छोटी सोच नहीं रखते। अन्नदाता सारे देश नूं रोटी दे रहा, उस करके छोटी सोच नहीं रख रहे।
Well, we can see that the farmer unions, they say that they are ready to give a green signal for both the trains. At the same time, they had given a 15 days ultimatum to the central government. They want that central government talks should be continued with them, and there should be proper solution of this problem, that farm bills. They are still opposing that central agri farms. They say that 15 days ultimatum has been given to the central government. At the same time, they say that there will be no bar, they are not going to hold any protest on the tracks, and railway service can be resumed at any time from tomorrow onwards. So this is the decision which the farmer union, along with the Chief Minister of Punjab Captain Amarinder Singh, had taken place in a meeting which was held today, and it has just been finished, and farmer union leaders, they had given the statement that they are ready for each and everything. And but now the main thing that for the Delhi Chalo protest, that they say that will be continued, and they will go to Delhi, and for that they are preparing each and everything, and they will move from here, from Punjab to Delhi from 26 to 27. That will be continued, but at the same time they are expecting that central government should hold talks and find out some solution of this problem.
Well, yes, they have obviously understood this, and the Punjab government has clearly also explained to them and convinced them that what they're doing right now is only harming their own state, because the centre has decided they won't allow trains until this blockade is called off. The onus is now on the centre. The ball is in their court. Like the farmers Gurpreet was speaking to have said, 15-day time has been given for the centre to open up a channel of communication between the two sides. Gurpreet, thanks so much for joining us.